Righto, we've got the new PMC motor fitted. We're about to just prime it. You see it in the background? There we go. So we're just about to prime the oil. Looks pretty from this angle too. Look at that. Very pretty. So yeah, we're getting ready. Woohoo!
Carbies look pretty.
Oil pressure gauge on this. There, got it. No!
What?
Starter's not throwing.
Yes, it is.
Righto, we're all primed. We drained the battery, so as you can see, we've run jumpers. Now, finishing, we've got to run the leads. We've got fuel, we've got spark, we've got oil, we've got to just check the pressure. Been talking to Peter Mac on the phone. He's telling me to chill out because I'm stressing out. It's all good. Let's get this thing going. We've got oil pressure, we're running a little bit lean. As you can see, where's our gauge? So we're running at about 12. But everything's looking good so far. I'm concerned about the timing, but it's going and that's good. Just about to take it out for a spin. See how she goes. This is just to run it in. Just go up for a drive, hold it on low for 3000 RPM for a while. So, all good. Got oil pressure, temp's okay. Just going up the hill, holding at 3000 RPM. By the time we get to Olinda, should all be good. Starting to stumble a little bit. The air fuel's heading a bit cleaner. Righto, here my buddy Steve-O. Had troubles with the car where it was just flat spotting, it was running rich then running lean. So it was with Peter Mac, went for a drive, thought that it was actually sucking the fuel dry, which can make sense because it was running rich and then running lean. So what I've done, I've actually put in a pressure regulator. It's just dodged up for the moment. You can see it just here, pressure regulator. And I've got rid of the fuel return here. So now it's just being fed, it's not going back to the tank. So let's start her up. Turn on the fan. Here we go. Now I've also changed the tune. I was running 190 mains, I've gone to 160, and I've changed the pump jets from a 50 to a 45, and it's going much better now. Yeah, we like. Oh, I put the keys away. What an idiot.